Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. This package was likely sent by somebody who was either sending something for my Quest for the Perfect Unboxing Knife series or something from the list of knives that I reached out to my viewers or my viewing audience asking, hey, here's a list of knives that I'm looking for a review, and then they answered. So we'll find out who it's from once we get into the package. First off, once again, I want to thank everybody who is choosing to support me on Patreon during this time. That's very, very generous of you, and I would not be able to do this without your support. So thank you very much. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on those stickers, you can find the link down in my description. We're going to be unboxing the knife, or whatever's in this package today, with the Spyderco PM2, which is, of course, an amazing knife, and you can find it down in the Amazon store that I reference at the beginning of every video under Spyderco knives. Okay, here we go. What do we have? We do have a note. That's always greatly appreciated. Let's see here. Oh, so we get to do 2 unboxings today. What it says right here is Civivi, but it is not a Civivi that's in here. We're actually going to be doing, I've been waiting to figure out when this was coming. I was trying to detect it by the package, but we actually get to do a bonus unboxing today because these two are 2 variants of the same knife there was a slight mix up in time. It doesn't matter. It'll give us more content anyway. But anyways, this was sent by, let me make sure not reveal anything, by my good friend Brian, who does not have Instagram, but thank you so much, Brian, for sending this guy along. Let's open up this one. Actually, let's go ahead and get into this package first so that we can, how much tape is on this guy? Just sort of, I'll give you, I mean, obviously that you guys have already seen the thumbnail, you know. But this was actually sent by Scott Whittington of USA Made Blade, who had offered this a while back. And then while kind of waiting for a response, I had somebody else offer one. So I was like, yeah, sure. And then he messaged back and said, I've got one, so I'll send it to you. And that's fine because I can show you guys 2 different variants. So make sure you check out USA Made Blade, which is who we're going to focus on for this video. They offer some amazing US made knives, as you could guess, and a wide variety of Hinderer knives and some unique anodizing that you can get done on them. So check them out, absolutely. I'll make sure and link them down in the description. Here we go. Awesome. So this is a Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch skinny. The first time that I've ever handled a skinny variant, and it is a slicer. Not nearly, surprisingly, not near, hang on, I've got mine right here. So I always thought that the Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch skinny would feel delicate next to the full size. And actually there's one higher, there's a fatty. But truthfully, I mean, yeah, the blade stock's thinner, the titanium's thinner, but this doesn't feel delicate by any means. And it's also just as impressively smooth and has that nice flipping action. Dare I say, actually a little more comfortable to flip than the full size because the landing zone has just less material in general. So there's less slamming down in your hands. There you go. So that's wonderful. And then we have the one that Scott Whittington sent me, which is the brand new Hinderer Skinny Slicer. Okay, awesome. Oh, yeah, exactly the same. It's always nice to know, that variants are feeling exactly the same. Wonderful. So we actually have 2 different blade shapes. We have the Hinderer Slicer, and then we have the XM18 Skinner. Absolutely. Beautiful, beautiful knives. And then we also have the working finish and stone wash side by side, so you guys can take a look at that. These are beautiful, and I'm sure giving people many ideas who have been hunting down Hinderer knives. I can't wait to take a look at these and give you guys my thoughts so that you can, just sort of, anybody who's been wondering about, the 3.5 inch skinnies versus the standard thickness ones, it'll give you absolutely something to think about. But I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.